Hi, I'm Justin, and today we'll be learning about the wonderful world of optics. To demonstrate how light is made, I'll require a large prism and light. Now, because light moves at 300,000 kilometers a second, I'll demonstrate using these colored blocks. So as you can see, the white light turned into different colors. This occurred because the light is made up of 6 different colors. These are red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. As it turns out, red, green, and blue light are considered the primary colors of light, where cyan, magenta, and yellow are the secondary colors of light. When mixed, the primary colors of light become the secondary colors of light. Red plus blue equals magenta, red plus green equals yellow, blue plus green equals cyan. This whole process is called the additive color theory. As you can see, light is made up of waves that travel. The chart also shows that light is visible. The human eye is an extraordinary device. The part of the eye made for seeing light is called the retina. Retinas are made up of 2 parts, rods and cones. Rods are meant to help humans see in very low light. Once our eyes adapt to the darkness, we can see fairly well. Cones are meant for seeing light. There are 3 types of cones, one for every primary light color. An example of this is when holding a piece of paper in front of a light. Even though you can't see through the paper, you can still see the light of the flame. To show you this, I'll acquire a mirror. As you can see, the light reflects off the mirror but doesn't pass through it. This one is fairly easy to understand. As you can see, there's a wall here. When the light hits it, it doesn't reflect or pass through it. To demonstrate this, all I'll need is a window. As you can see, even though there is something between me and you, I'm still 100% visible. To demonstrate this, I'll use these white pants. So as the 3 primary colors of light hit the pants, the most prominent color takes over, making the pants appear blue. So to show how the color filter works, I'll be using this blue window and the 3 primary colors of light. So what was shown was that when the 3 colors of light interacted with the blue window, the blue stayed prominent and passed through while the red and green stopped. So what did we learn today? Light is transferred as waves. Visible light is part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Visible and invisible waves make up the electromagnetic spectrum. The visible spectrum is made up of colored light from red to violet. The additive color theory applies to colors of light. The eye contains cone cells that allow us to see red, blue, or green light. Pairs of primary light combine to form secondary colors of light. The primary colors of light are red, blue, and green. The subtractive color theory applies to colors of non-luminous objects. An object appears to be the color of the light it transmits or reflects. A pigment absorbs some colors of light and reflects others. The primary colors of pigments are yellow, cyan, and magenta. A light filter absorbs certain colors of light and transmits others. Colored filters contain pigments that absorb some colors of light and transmit others. Colorless light filters transmit all 3 primary colors of light. So as you can see, there is way more to light than what meets the eye.